Hi! Welcome, sweet baby. Today we're going to learn something magical. It's called organic chemistry. That means the chemistry of living things. It all starts with a tiny little friend called an atom. One very special atom is called carbon. Can you say carbon? Great job, little scientist. Carbon is like a friendly spider. It has 4 little hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it loves to hold hands with other tiny atoms, like hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. When carbon holds hands with 4 hydrogens, it becomes methane. Methane. Can you whisper it with me? Methane. Perfect. You're doing so well. Now listen closely. All living things, like flowers, trees, cats, and you, are made from organic molecules. Isn't that amazing? You're made of beautiful little molecules, dancing together like magic. And they all love carbon. Okay, baby genius. Let's take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Good. You're now, officially, a baby chemist. Sweet dreams of molecules and stardust. Night-night.